This is Craft Endra. You may say it's just another boat building project. Another boat with its unique story and I dare say original concept and exciting journey. Welcome aboard. November's fog has definitely ended this year's season on the water. Most boats are pulled in for winter and nobody thinking of going out for a sail. Except I. With that desire, I keep on working. And in fact, it shall be the last winter Endra is in the shed. I have big plans for next year. But before that, let's talk about the remaining open tasks I still got. For now, I must draft the Helmsman compartments and the midship's locker. Then, I need to find a way to arrange my tiny cabin. A very basic electrical system must be applied. And then, finally, she is ready for what we all have been waiting for. To rig her up. Step by step I bring together concepts and parts for the entire sail plan. We talk about that a little bit next episode. If everything goes according to plan, Endra shall come out next spring to find a bigger place to install a mast with shrouds, winches and blocks. It's my goal to have her running on the sail next summer 2025. It shall be a test period to see how she behaves and to see what has to be adjusted. And most of all, to learn her to sail. Until then, we'll still have a lot of fun in this workshop. Thanks for being here, and I hope to find you also next time. Bye!